Now let's see how to redeem mobile app points through the LIS system. Log into the LIS system and open the OPD Billing module using the shortcut key Y. Step 2. Select the required lab test. If any discount is automatically added, check the discount percentage and change it to 0. Then click Continue. Step 3. Enter the patient's mobile number and click Search. You will now be able to view the patient's point details, including total earned points, used points, and available balance. The patient can also view these point details from the mobile app. Step 4. Click on Send OTP. The patient will receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the received OTP and click Validate. Step 5. After validation, the discount reason will automatically change to mobile app point. Enter the redeem point amount in the discount/redeem point text box. You can now see the redeemed points, such as 200 points, deducted from the total bill, along with the remaining payable balance. Step 6. Finally, click Submit and close the bill. This completes the mobile app point redemption process.